MEC 516 Energy Technologies Lab 1 IR1 Thermal Imaging Camera using Fluke TI-20. To turn on the Fluke TI-20, press and hold the F2 button until the screen turns on. The system will then take several seconds to boot up and self-calibrate. Next, to ready the camera, just remove the lens cap. You are now ready to capture thermal images. Just point the camera at the object of interest to begin shooting. If the object appears blurry, adjust the focus on the camera using the dial in the front. Be sure to perform this adjustment until you attain the image with the most clarity. To capture a thermal image, press the trigger. If you are unhappy with your image, press the trigger again to capture a new image. When you are satisfied with your image, press the F1 button to save the image. Task 1. Light Cams. To perform this task, you will first be taking thermal images of an incandescent light can with the Fluke camera. Be sure when trying to take these images that you attain an image with proper focus. When satisfied, save your image. Next, you will take thermal images of an LED light cam. Once again, make sure that the image is in proper focus, and when you are satisfied, press F1 to save the image. The last part of this task involves taking a thermal image of both light cans together. Make sure the image has proper focus, and when you're ready, save the image. Be sure to take note of the differences between this thermal image and the ones you've taken before. The differences between them will be vital in you answering the analysis questions associated with this task. Task 2. Cups. For this task, fill 1 cup with hot and 1 cup with cold water. Now take thermal images of both cups together. Once again, ensure the image has proper focus, and when you are satisfied, save an image. Next, record thermal images of the hot cup and the cold cup. Note the differences between the 3 images you've taken so far. These differences will be vital to answering the analysis questions associated with this task. Task 3. Hot metallic bottles. When performing this task, it is vitally important to ensure that your bare hands do not touch the metal bottles. To perform this task, you will fill each of 3 metal bottles with hot water. Use the thermal camera to ensure that each bottle is filled up to about the 2/3 line. When all 3 bottles are filled, use the provided thermocouple to take a temperature reading of the inside of the bottles while taking the thermal image with the Fluke camera at the same time. Using these 2 measurements, you will calculate the emissivity of the bottles provided. Task 4. Hot and cold bottles. Using the black and silver bottles from Task 3, empty the black bottle and refill it with hot water. And refill the silver bottle with cold water. After filling both bottles, you will then take a thermal image of both bottles together. After you have done so, take another thermal image of both bottles, but this time, place a barrier between them.